They say that one checking point for Abia State, for Aba, wey be say this checking point, our people don go through a lot of things for inside this checking point. As we dey talk right now, they say that unknown gunmen don visit that checking point. As they reach there, na the whole army wey dey there cover everybody gbaga. As they talk right now, they say many people kpai for inside that place. My people, things are happening. Today supposed to be a 30th a remembrance of the fallen heroes of the Biafra, those who stand against the Nigeria aggressive during the civil war. And this is what today is supposed to be. And I don't know why the people who own the land will say, please, we don't want anybody, and the people still there for road. But however, see wetin happen today. Would they here they bring updates back to back as they hot? Just watch the videos. As it they happen, they say that the wife of the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, which Nnamdi Kanu, his wife made a statement today, which is I'm going to play the video also. Let's watch the video one after the other.
Look at it now. Look at soldiers running. This is what is happening live now. Obi Kaba Junction. Look at the unknown gunmen just attacked the military. Now, when I know you from I like fear. You can see that's the junction. It's on fire now. The unknown gunmen, they came there and they set that place ablaze. You see, they killed all the military men there. All the military men there on the checkpoint.
Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ. Ebulandami erimma, erime ebulandamia, erime ebulandamia, erime ebulandamia. Oh Jesus, Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ, Jesus. I'm waiting there that bush na people. Waiting there that bush na people we don't die. I say, look, I'm not for you. You are doing my command.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Let's go and watch how our brothers waiting for overseas take remember our people today. Watch the video.
Biafra. Biafra. One family. One family. IPOB.
So this speaker so that's what
continue to protect us, to guide us, to strengthen us, to order our steps. And as our anthem says, triumphantly come out of this ordeal.
move back, give me boy.
Everything ready and steady and move on peacefully with our candle to turn down the street.
What's it called?
I thank everybody for your today. We continue until we register the final protest at the Zoo High Commission. Thank you. And if everybody still got the black bin bag, kindly help us to pick every litter, every rubbish that is left behind here. I will instruct somebody to do the final inspection before the last person.
So we are moving down
and God bless.
to another venue where we will continue with this celebration.
Jojo, over to you.
And that is the first lady there.
All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. Freedom. We are moving to number 10 Downing Street. It is true that
so from here we'll be moving to number 10 Downing Street to also submit our protest petition to the zoo government, to the British government.
We should have, as a Prime Minister, supervise the rendition of one of his citizens. And he has not done anything to make sure that he's being released. So what we are saying is that
you are very prepared.
Boris Johnson supervises.
It's like in a native talk of
please trust came and she did not do anything. Rishi Sunak equally did not do anything to make sure that his subject is released from Nigeria. Let's see what will happen next. And we are praying
so
very soon.
When we get to number 10, I will be coming live again. For now, I'm signing off. It's Mazi Efolano reporting for IPOB Media, United Kingdom.
But politically, we are being told, or we were told, that it was connected to the debts that British government owed the Iranian government. But what did the British government do? They fought, they pushed high heavens, they moved mountains, they swam the seas and oceans to make sure that Nazanin was released. She was actually arrested on her birth ground. But Nnamdi Kanu was arrested on a third soil. He was kidnapped, not arrested. He was kidnapped and renditioned to Nigeria. And that is a domestic and international crime against human rights. And British government, being the forebear of human rights, having a stronghold when it comes to human rights violation laws, they are sitting on the fence because it has to do with Biafra, because it has to do with Nnamdi Kanu, who is Biafran, who is speaking for those who can't speak for themselves, who is fighting for his people to be free. So British government, having pretended for a long time that they can't do anything, can actually do something. We have been to the courts. Nigeria government says, leave it to the legal, to the justice department, and let's see how it goes. And we won them hands down. And the court ruled in our favor, saying that no court has the right, jurisdiction to try Nnamdi Kanu. What are they doing right now? So British government should be telling Nigeria government that there should be no trial because the court has given its verdict. And we are free. Nnamdi Kanu is free. Yes. But he's still being held illegally by the Nigerian government. So what is British government hiding? What are they covering? What are they trying to stop? The reason we are here today is to stand and remember our fallen heroes and heroines. And that is a cause that they have started. And we are not backing down. We are not stopping. So if you think that by stopping Nnamdi Kanu, you're stopping millions of Biafrans, you have failed on arrival. So you better put on your seatbelts and get ready for us, because we'll keep knocking on your door. You have no choice, but you will answer. And Nnamdi Kanu will be made free. And so are all the Biafrans who are illegally held in the Nigerian prisons. We are not going back. Just so you know that this journey has just begun. All hail Biafra! All hail Biafra! All hail Biafra! Freedom! Freedom!
My wonderful people, please share this video and make sure you follow this channel for more updates.